Hello everyone. Hello. This is Social Media Wahala TV. And if you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. This one is my second channel. The other one now Lady J. This one is Social Media Wahala TV. If you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Now go subscribe so that you hear many stories, many things what we go bring on this platform, So my people, e get one video wey just dey go viral for everywhere. People dey share am, for one guy, one man, the man don say advance now, because say some advance me no know wetin dey worry them. This man don advance and he come dey toast one woman for phone. So e be like say maybe he don first dey talk to the woman and he know say this woman he get husband. Not be say no because before me I be say maybe he no know. When I see the video, I dey angry for wetin they do the man, the way they say beat the man, the way they say wetin they do to the man. This one na Europe now we dey because e be like say some people they don't know law, they don't know wetin they read the happen. Una understand? Because this wetin happen for this man, the way these people take beat the man, I don't like that part. Una understand? I know if una see if una see bad, una will talk am. If una see good, una will talk am. The way this man, the way they take beat this man, me I know just like him. I don't like what they do to this man at all. They not just do away at all because the thing when I see the video, the thing shockatalize me. Okay, this man, if they toast this woman, I will play the voice record where they toast the woman. Then I go see play the. I will see put the video more and see him, more and see the way what they do to this man. It's not good. When I understand what they do to this man, it's not good, really. I know what the man do. It's not good for him to go toast a married woman. And you will be married woman where you say you don't marry, man they toast you. It's against the law. You have to tell the man, I'm a married woman. Even to say no, your husband, they consider they fully safe. I'm a married woman. I don't want, and I not if do anything with you. You understand? Not be say you can't give an ear because you want to set him up. You want to make your husband know say you dey faithful, all those things. Before the man say can't even get mad, they can't toast you. I've been the first see you for carry waka before. In the first see you for all those kind of waka where be say you can't just say in a Jew now you want can't toast. Because the thing they surprised me when they toast you, when they talk to you for phone, say me no worry, say your husband self, if they even they cheat on you, your husband and this and that, When I see the thing just like when okay, man play the voice record for a more list because if I dey talk like this, it will be like say the thing say maybe not be truth or not truth or I'm gonna play the voice record more than list my people.
Now our landlord na come. Yo. No, he can't ask, they can't check his house now. As he can't check, so he just they knock for everybody door.
Okay.
Yo. And we did the last floor.
The voice record belongs small my people handbooks.
Yo.
No, I just say
only will. Until now the apartment not too big.
For the top. Lift not at the house.
Lift not there on a step. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Madam, eat.
We never to table we wake, we just they wake.
Your husband dey there with the do all those things so.
We don't take that money for that.
Yeah, me not they chop money because they turn belly.
They turn belly. Now they turn me for belly.
Yeah.
I don't know where I think you can't greet you. I think this evening can't greet you.
And this we did there now, definitely. But I don't know whether my husband brother will come because me no want me they see you. Me no want me they know say I dey talk to person.
I know.
And then marry a man where say they will know say woman get husband or still go to toast am. You even they tell you say no, I made your husband brother. You even they like seriously.
Nobody go know before I come on. Nobody go know.
Like seriously.
Listen, now we did the up.
Yeah, please
don't know whether my husband brother
you know,
will come today because he called me yesterday.
I'm married woman, I come day your this man.
If he come today,
you know, can just see a young girl go to yes, many for Italy now. Be babes not baby.
You go test her, call her, ask her whether you go come.
You know, say I don't get like a bonus.
Like I.
It not be like I in the use.
What did they use?
Now when did they use?
Okay. I'll call you later and I'll give you €5 card.
Okay, no problem, sir. Thank you.
Please take one.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, okay.
I'll give you €5 card later. I'll call you.
Okay, thank you very much.
I come down just now.
Okay.
I'll go buy €5 card for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
I'll come if I pick up there. I'll give you better money where you go like.
I will like where I go appreciate them.
You give a better
I'll give
money.
you better money. I made the promise you so.
The man arrive for wedding.
That's not the goal of
Why
everybody.
you toasty?
Not give it to anybody. If you feel make I go there.
You see?
If you feel make I go there, go sleep.
Why
I'll
not?
give you better money. I'll give you better money.
You know, go see your own girl, you give better money na married woman.
Really?
Like seriously, some men una own really like e dey una body really.
See,
Eh?
okay, go not good then.
You like her?
Where?
You can wash it for you, where? You know how to wash
You go
it.
come wash plate for
Me, I
her.
no
My
sabi.
people, una no understand that part. You go come wash plate for her.
They'll make I wash it for you.
Why not? Why not?
You go come wash plate. Una understand the plate, oh? You go come use the tongue take wash am well. Take wash it, make it for her. Men, that is una own, like seriously. How you just pass your own girl and married woman?
You could don't know how money they wash plate for woman.
I don't know. I never see her before.
I don't see.
No.
So you don't agree make I wash plate for you, man?
If you good, I'll agree.
Good. So to wash it for woman, I say you wash it. I explain to you whether you don't know.
Okay.
I'm not listening well, the people.
I don't know. You know, say me and I will not too take for friend.
Before you take him.
As
just pay money for my head.
And they really give a plate. If you see what they do this man, they can't give a make they wash toilet, make they wash plate. This now plate you can't wash. They don't make they wash the plate. This man, your own day your body really like seriously. Your own day your body.
Not let her with you because he's supposed to talk nonsense because the way we see her on Facebook, I could see my bad present.
Even they tell the woman say the woman husband they carry another woman.
Because I still have my brother. But I think you tell me see her with your wife, not your wife. Your friend when you send me to me, I go carry back for her, share with your wife. You tell me everything. You hear me?
And they hear you.
Why they go? Why they say you know for you?
You know, say I know the Facebook, I know the WhatsApp.
Okay, sure. I make maybe you know the cash momo. The cash momo there, you know. So me be. Don't dey tire for you.
And you can say that move on point. Eh? This one just message to our men. Our men maybe say they want toast women. You go carry young girl. Why you busy a married woman can't date your eye? Why busy a married woman? See her now. See what you go give yourself now. Public disgrace.
I don't want good though. Don't want good, but where I will go keep my children?
So I pay for nobody now. Government could pay you through your children, pay you everything.
Go good though. But they say we no get belly, no they go Germany.
You say me no worry, go marry the woman, go carry and go Germany.
I follow you. You say now maybe your husband.
I don't want to go good pass.
Want change location? Also no.
Good. Don't
Maybe your
just
husband
good.
that time. Don't let anybody know.
No.
Hello.
Let me kind of tell you so. Say I will need to call my husband brother to know when I they come today. If you know they come so that you'll come.
not tell anybody, not let anybody know what they talk of.
No, I be small picking.
If you don't clear now, the road don't clear now. You see the door open border.
You know, go find your girl where you go give them. It's not a marriage man. See public disgrace now.
To say we will feel today because me want you
They don't close border. They don't close border, but I don't place to come out now. If I know New Europe close border.
You will still come this evening if I call you.
Why? Even though that night, I will come.
You be say you want to emphasize on the wash plate because me I don't know how it be wash plate.
I will suck your daughter night.
Ah.
I be washing off it after they call her. And now they talk.
You laugh. You laugh.
After they talk. I don't be washing off it. I don't be clean now.
Go wash plate. And this woman, you see what you say you can't be listening to you because you want to set her up. As a married woman, you're not supposed to do that kind of thing.
And you say it's a view where? You say it's a view where?
Where? How finish wash plate for you? Where now? I love you. I don't like your voice. I don't like the way you do talk. The way you do things. I don't like her.
Thank you.
I don't like her.
Since I come, now only my husband they tell me say he like me. Another person never tell me.
I like you as your husband. We shall like you like what
You like a pass your husband.
Say he
Like
loves
seriously.
me.
Now me love you pass. You not love you.
Now you love her pass.
Go marry you.
You don't hear where now. Married men.
Not with children. This thing could they do? Could they marry another wife for us? I mean, love you pass. I will take you
Now you love her pass.
another country to first go to another country.
I better not disappoint me. That gem in my mind, I don't put on.
Lie, I'm not fit. I get friends, get everything there. Where they make I see the way they for you. This time.
Okay, I don't put my mind already.
I know.
My mind don't did there now.
Don't put my mind. Don't put my mind. Right there. Try to call me this thing.
And so the card so that I'll fit take call my husband, brother.
I'll call you later and I'll make I give you, yeah?
Okay, now no problem.
Around that time, 1, 2, just now I'll call you.
Make I play the.
I love you.
Okay.
Ma, I play the video for me.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's what you call for.
When one bet for me?
That's what you call for.
When one bet for me?
They beat the man up the small. They beat him up the small. Small pikin dey even cry there. They come dey beat the man. They beat am. And they forget say na Europe dem dey o. It's against the law. Na Europe na dem dey. Na law small. They beat and they forget say na Europe na dem dey. And this man can even if this man fit go report them because it's against the law. Because you now when they even they beat this man now. When I go surprised now say they not even recognize them for Europe. Then I say he married that woman because they not the law say the man not fit toast any woman. Man fit toast any woman. But for you not to take law into your hands, begin they beat this man. Police fit do you give you problem, and you go be in trouble for this beating. Won't I even beat this man? Una Ghana they beat the man for inside room. Like seriously. This thing will not do this man, so it's not good. Una for not beat her like this at all. Because who even know? Because many of us they claim we don't marry. But for Igbo, you not sure say we marry because they don't recognize us. Now common and they recognize. But for now to they beat this man like this, it's against the law. It's against the law. For what they do this man, it's against the law. You know some of those are draw people where they don't even know law, so they'll just they do anything where they like. Not be even Nigeria now, they beat person for Europe, for Italy. No, that is yeah. See what they do the man, my people. See what they do the man. When I see what they do the man. May not beat him again. May not beat him again. When they hear my people, may not beat him again. The part wait for wash plate. Oh, that one not there yet. Where the man for they can't give him a plate. May they wash. They do this man many things. Not be smart. They do this man, my people. So what did they do this man? It not good. Una for not beat the man like that. At all. It's against the law. It's not allowed. For that beating, when I beat that man, it's not good. What did the man do? It's not good. For him to go toast a married woman, it's not doing away. But that beating, no, it's not good. That beating not just good at all. What when I do this man, it's not good. You this woman when no say you don't marry. Like seriously. What will make you even they give the man listening here? Because you want to set him up. As this man ever they bring that toast to come, everybody, nobody go talk say a married woman will go say man never toast am. Even they go even know say yes, say you get husband. They go see they toast you. It does still happen to me, but I have to tell the person say I'm a married woman. Then it stop. It stop. Then of course I want to set him up. Even person who doesn't know my husband don't talk to me, but I will tell him say you don't know my husband. May not try him again next time. You understand? So you for not even give him listening ear. You put your husband for problem. So if you don't know, you put your husband for problem. If you don't know, my dear, because this man now, if you go report to your husband and they go arrest him for what he do so. For what he do so. For what they look like play something. And this thing a video we've done they everywhere now. This thing a video we done they everywhere. They feel arrest your husband for what he do so, because now a big problem now you give to yourself now you don't know. Yeah, a big problem now you give to yourself. Man show now where they come say make the man see what they do this man like people. They come say make just the wash plate. They come say make the wash plate. See. Because they made the wash plates, made the wash toilets. Some ladies can say, make if you finish this one, make they tell her, go wash plates. Since if you don't wash the toilet finish, the insult is too much now. What did they do to this man? No good. No good. No. I know say the man not do well. For them to go toast the married woman is not allowed. It's against the law. But law not they say man not fit toast woman. Man fit toast. But if you tell the man say you are a married man, for this punishment when I give this man is too much. It's too much. They're going to make the man the wash toilet. The man can begin the wash toilet. But this woman they forget say what did they do to this man? So this man reports them. No problem because he not suppose may they beat this man like the way they say beat the man. No, it's not allowed. The beating was too much. Yeah. I don't understand my people because what did they do to this man? It's not good. The man saying go wash the plate very well. That doesn't mean you can't wash plates, man. So the thing long, my people. So I'm not going to play everything. I just want to just see the last part for what they do to this man. You know, good. It's not allowed. The way they treat this man. Now Europe today, I'm not they take law into my hands, because if police see this thing now, na problem on day, because this video don't go viral. And video day, evidence day, with the man of show police. So now for not beat the man like that, and I for not beat him like that, it did too much. The person made the wash bathroom, made the wash toilet, make you come wash plate. So what did they do the man? The insult was too much. My people, I'm not going to play everything finish, because what did they do to the man? You know, it's not allowed. It's not good. This beating was too much, and the insult was too much, really. So this video, that's what I just done. I wish we not long past this one. They're gonna say after, if you finish all those ones, you go still go wash this step. They say go still go wash the step. They do the man. Elderly man for that matter. What woman say for married woman body? Guess not, young guests not there again. Who want come toast all those young guests? If na married woman come they do now. Young girls, the more I go toast them. See insults now when you bring when you just carry insults, can't give yourself. See what they do you now. Old man for that matter. Maybe that they ask that they never even wash and for how many weeks now they can't give you maybe they do one. See what they do the man. The insults is too much. So my people, now the end of the video be that one, oh, my people, because I just make a show now. I say make a show now. More than know waiting the man, waiting they do the man, you know. So my people, so anything you think about this video, just give the video a thumbs up and comment anything you think. Just leave your comment for the comment section, so that make our men make they leave marriage women alone, because what happen to this man, you can see happen to another person. And now this one a lesson for our men now, where they always they take medicine, they sleep with woman, because you don't know what the woman they plan away for you. And maybe this man after that go drink tramadol before now. You see Anna, make us not see insult where they this life now they give them. So for your life, before you go even me, you know, go ever toast married woman again. Because what you see, so you go even use that they advise other people. So thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady James. So my people, this one are advice for our men. Maybe the way that they toast marriage you may they go. So now they now can't give advice today. This one unless what happen to this man may not happen to now. So Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. Bye.